Just about every country on the planet, including ours, is in the coronavirus vaccine sweepstakes. Yet, as PTV correspondent Bea Bernardo explains, the country cannot prepay or pre-order any vaccine since completion of the third phase of the vaccine's clinical trials here or abroad as mandated by law.
President Rodrigo Duterte has signed the order empowering the Food and Drug Administration to issue emergency use authorization to quicken the approval of the COVID-19 vaccine for the country. This is under Executive Order number 121 that was signed yesterday, December 1. With this, instead of 6 months, the approval process for the vaccine will now only take 21 days. However, there are conditions laid out for the issuance of the EAU. First, there should be evidence that the vaccine or medicine is effective to cure or prevent COVID-19 infection. Second, if there are possible side effects brought forth by the vaccine or medicine, they should be outweighed by the vaccine's benefit. And third, there are no adequate, approved, or available alternatives to vaccine or medicine for COVID-19. Under this executive order, the FDA is also given power to acknowledge the regulatory decision of the World Health Organization for emergency use of the medicines and the vaccines. According to Senator Bongo, the Food and Drug Administration needs to ensure the vaccine is effective and safe.
Meron pong mga vaccines na dumaan na po ng clinical trial sa ibang bansa at gusto nilang magbenta dito ng vaccine ay papayagan po through the emergency use authorization. Pero dapat siguraduhin po ng FDA, makakagalaw ng FDA natin, yun pong inaantay ng FDA natin. Sisiguraduhin po ng FDA na safe po ang vaccine at yung efficacy ng vaccine na ito.
The FDA was pleased with the President's signing of the EO. According to Undersecretary Eric Domingo, they will do their utmost to ensure that the available COVID-19 vaccine in the country is safe. They will also be releasing guidelines regarding this in the next few days. Meanwhile, though the Philippines has not yet entered any purchase agreement with any vaccine developer, our country is not left behind from the other countries who have already pre-ordered millions of vaccine doses. National Task Force Against COVID-19 Chief Implementer and Vaccine Czar Carlito Galvez stated, our government's coordination with manufacturers of the vaccine is continuous.
The prohibitions of the law by the Bayanihan that we will finish first the phase 3 clinical trial before we can have an actual procurement of the vaccine.
Senator Amy Marcos believes that the government needs to study carefully which agency should be tasked as the lead in government's vaccine procurement program. The National Task Force Against COVID-19 stated it has started analyzing how local governments could help in buying the vaccine. According to Galvez, the Metro Manila mayors had expressed their intention to help the national government for the COVID-19 vaccination program. The Philippines aims to vaccinate 70 up to 80 million individuals in the next 5 years. The country aims to buy vaccine from the manufacturers in China, Russia, the US, and United Kingdom. The clinical trial for the Sinovac and Clover vaccine, which both come from China, are scheduled this month or early January next year. Bea Bernardo for The Nation.